Hi, I am Sai Prashant Adabala. Today I am going to discuss about a very interesting concept called multi-scrum process. Multi-scrum process. Up to now we have discussed about scrum process. Today's session we are going to see multi-scrum process. Multi means more than one. Okay. So let me go ahead with a small example here. Let us assume a company like Infosys. Infosys got some project from customer. Okay, for suppose it is small project. Small project means how a software is going to be developed. The requirements are going to be gathered from the customer, and based on those requirements they are going to develop the sprint. How the project is, okay, let us see here. Infosys got project. In that project it is going to develop software. Project is developed, the software is developed sprint by sprint. Sprint by sprint. Okay, for let us assume the sprints were up to some 5 sprints are there. That is, software developing the software is converted into 5 sprints. Means piece by piece means 5 pieces. In 5 pieces they are going to develop the software. It is a simple process. If the sprint is there are up to 5 sprints only, means it is easy. Infosys one branch people will complete this task, this project. Infosys, let us assume Infosys Hyderabad branch is going to complete this project in 5 sprints. Okay, as it is a small project. So in this sprint, for every sprint there will be PO and Scrum Master. PO means project owner or product owner, and next PO and Scrum Master will be there. Under the Scrum Master there will be Scrum team. ST means developers and testers. Scrum team, both developers plus testers. Clear? So now see the flow here. Infosys is a company in the branch, existing in the branch Hyderabad. They got a project to develop a software. The software is going to be developed sprint by sprint in 5 sprints. It is a small project. They are going to complete that project in 5 sprints. So for that sprint, every sprint PO will be there. PO is going to collect some requirements. He is going to select some requirements. He is going to finalize the testing strategy. Scrum Master is going to prepare the plan. Based on the plan, Scrum team developers are going to develop the software. Testers are going to test the software. And finally, after completion of all this process, they are going to release the software. Okay, so this is the general process for what? Scrum process, as well Scrum process. But now I am talking about multi-Scrum process. When we require this multi-Scrum process. Okay, now you see the similar example only. You see here, multi-Scrum process. Infosys is a company having branches in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai. Okay, let us assume these are the 3 branches were there. So now Infosys got a project that is a huge project, but customer required within, let us assume he mentioned some period of time. I required that project to be completed within around 6 months. Given time 6 months. So in 6 months the project was huge project. It is a huge project. So means large project with big project with huge requirements. So it requires much time. In general, Infosys Hyderabad branch they will complete it. They will take some 2 years of time. Let us assume if the only one Infosys one branch people have to complete this project, means they require some 2 years of time. But if these 3 branches are going to start the project work, they will complete in the customer specified time, 7 months of time. Now how the process is going to work here? Let us see here. So for this huge project, how the sprints are there. Let us assume for Hyderabad, Hyderabad is going to develop sprint 1, Bangalore is going to develop sprint 2, sprint 2, and Chennai branch is going to develop sprint 3. Here let us assume some 15 sprints are there like this. Now here the after that Hyderabad is going to develop sprint 4, then sprint 5, and like this they are going to share the sprint. Means the project is going to be shared by the company Infosys to with their branches, in the branches. And Chennai they completed the sprint 15. Bangalore guys completed up to sprint 12, like this, sprint 1, sprint 2, sprint 3, so on up to 15 sprints. Huge project is divided into 15 sprints. So Hyderabad is going to complete 5 sprints, Bangalore is going to complete 5 sprints, Chennai is going to develop the 5 sprints. Total you can take like this, 5 sprints. They are going to work over 5 sprints. Sprint means piece of code, 5 pieces. Here they are also similarly, Bangalore guys also, so Bangalore team of Infosys also going to complete some 5 pieces of sprint. Yeah, 1 minute. Okay, 5 sprints totally in general. I'm talking in general. Okay, like this the work will be shared. So now, okay brother, up to here it was fine. The project is developed by different branches of Infosys. As it is huge project, the project is software is developed sprint by sprint. So for 15 sprints, 5 sprints by Hyderabad branch, Bangalore 5 sprints are going to develop, Chennai going to develop 5 sprints. Then how a final output is going to be arrived, how a final software is developed. So you told the terminologies like for every project there will be the PO, Scrum Master, like that, no? So for all these projects there will be only one sprint, you will be there only one project owner, one Scrum Master, only Scrum team is single Scrum team, or different project managers will be there. Means here for these the answer is project owners were for Hyderabad branch there will be one project owner, clear, and for Bangalore branch there will be one project owner, and for Chennai branch there will be one project owner, clear. And for similarly the Scrum Master also, for Hyderabad branch there will be one Scrum Master, and for Bangalore branch there will be the one Scrum Master, and for Chennai branch there will be one Scrum Master, clear. Now, and for the Scrum team also, similarly the Scrum team comprises of developers and testers. For Hyderabad branch there will be some Scrum team, developers and testers, and for Chennai branch also there will be the Scrum team, developers and testers, clear. For every branch there will be the project owner, Scrum Master and Scrum team. Scrum team means, I told, as we know, Scrum team comprises of both developers and testers in the form of 3:1 ratio. Team size of Scrum team size is 10, means there will be the 7 developers and 3 testers, like this. Okay, now we are clear about this. 5 sprints were developed these company people, PO, Scrum Master, Scrum team in a Hyderabad branch. In Hyderabad branch. Next in Bangalore branch, 5 sprints by these people were involved here. Okay, so you told you will get a doubt like this here. You told for every branch there will be one project owner, Scrum Master and Scrum team, like this. But finally how they are going to communicate, how the communication will goes on, who will provide the protocol, who provides the rules, who provides the instructions, means, now you will understand clearly here. Okay, see here. So in multi-scrum process, PO, see here, PO 1, 2, 3, there you observe 3 POs, project owners, or 3. For these 3 project owners there is one head, that is master project owner. Master project owner. Clear? He is master project owner. Okay, then this master project owner is going to provide the instructions to the project owners who are existing in the Hyderabad branch, Bangalore branch and Chennai branch. Clear? Next, Scrum Master. Coming to the Scrum Master, there will be a head called Chief Scrum Master. This Chief Scrum Master is going to provide the instructions to these Scrum Masters. Okay, to the Scrum Masters existed in the Hyderabad branch, Bangalore branch and Chennai branch. Clear? Scrum team will be common. The Scrum team will be common in the sense for every branch there will be the testers and developers. The Scrum team will be recruited by the Scrum Master. Clear? But for all the Scrum Masters there will be a head called as Chief Scrum Master. For all the project owners there is a head called as Master Project Owner. So now what we have to understand was MPO, Master Project Owner is parent. PO, these project owners are child. Chief Scrum Master is parent. The Scrum Masters are child. Clear? So the Chief Scrum Master and Master Project Owner will be good familiar about the requirements of customer, and they are going to share the details, plan and testing strategy to the child PO, child Scrum Masters. This is what the multi-Scrum process. This process is followed when the developing software is very huge. If it is a big software, big project means this process is followed. Multi-Scrum process is multi-Scrum process. This is called as multi-Scrum process.